Hey, good morning, guys. I just realized that when I wear a white shirt, it kind of reflects off my light. Can you see the little circle light in my glasses? So the light hits the white and it bounces back to the webcam, which bounces back to my white hat. And and now I look like I just dropped chocolate fudge, I guess, melted fudge frosting all over my face. So I look like I've been in Fiji tanning. So anyway, how you guys doing, first of all? Uh, let's just have a little chit chat about my favorite company. Okay, if you subscribe to my channel, you know I'm a big fan of LiveGood. Okay, I have a handful of other opportunities that complement LiveGood nicely. Okay, salt, pepper, peanut butter jelly, LiveGood. You bet, man. It needs a couple other things. Okay, to get you leads and traffic. And I want to, as the great Cardone would say, Grant Cardone, do you want to 10x your income? I mean, that's okay. But, 10's a nice number. But I like 100. I like 1,000. I like numbers that have a lot of zeros after it. So I like to show people how LiveGood is like a magnet. All right? You join LiveGood first. You check out the products and the opportunity. Okay? Then you start mixing in maybe some olives, maybe some cheese, maybe some croutons, okay? And get some of that, is it ranch that's electric white like my shirt, or is it called Roquefort? I haven't said that word in 40 years, so I like say, I'm actually craving a salad right now. I might have to go make me one. Not that I have a head of lettuce or Roquefort, but I think I do have olives and cheese because I'm a taco guy. So anyway, with LiveGood, I think each week as people join all across the world, especially in Asian areas, boy, the Asian territories, India, China, of course, Malaysia and Japan, even South Korea, Philippines, just kicking it, man, just kicking butt, taking names. Obviously, we're based out of Jupiter, Florida, so we do real well here in America. I live in Utah. Okay, I'm born and raised Santa Barbara. That's why I kind of like having a tan and some long hair, tasty waves. All right. I'm not the best surfer anymore, that's for sure, and skateboarding guy. But if you look at my radio station here, my whole ceiling is decorated with skateboards that I get fishing line and I hang skateboards. The only one you can see my Kiss skateboard right there with an Ace Frehley Mr. Potato Head on. Yeah, it's just sitting there. Maybe you can see. I think you can, but I'll have to do a tour of my station here. You're gonna laugh. You think this wall is decorated with an insane amount of Hot Wheels and Legos and Barbie dolls? Wait till you see the rest of this station. There's about, I think, 45 walls like this. Okay. Yeah, just Toys R Us is gone, but you know what? With that darn eBay, and even if you go to Walmart, they got cool stuff. Okay, so I gotta keep out of Walmart. So first of all, can I have a little drinky? Because whenever I do these 10-minute videos, I like to have a little sip. Oh man, organic coffee from LiveGood has 6 magic mushrooms in it. And everyone's like, how come you're in such a good mood, even when you shouldn't be? I'm like, well, you buy organic coffee from LiveGood. I call it orgasmic because it makes me quiver. All right. So anyway, I'm going to take you on a little journey, a little review. All right. How's that sound? Let's have a little sip and let's all go for a ride, kid. Oh man, coffee is delicious. Okay, let me shrink myself up here a little bit. Okay, if you want to get the full experience, and I want to show you how I recruit. I must have 400 people signed up already. Okay, and I do exactly what you're going to watch on your screen here. I invite people to a link. Okay, so if you join me, I want you to go to GoDaddy, and I want you to get your own domain name. All right, they're about 10, 11 bucks. I bought joincory.com a long time ago because that's my name, and I want you to join. So when you click this link, you're going to go to a page, and I'm going to show you what that looks like, okay? So just put your name and email address in, and you can follow along, okay? So this is what LiveGood's website looks like. See the whole menu on the left side of your screen. Take your time and go through as many menu items as you want, but I recommend going to the Products tab because you want to see what we sell. Okay, now remember, we're based off the membership side of things. You don't have to buy any products during commissions. So if you're looking at LiveGood as a potential moneymaker, guys, you don't have to buy a darn thing. You just relax and look at the products. And if you like them every month, you want to be a member. It's only 10 bucks, okay? $10 to be a member. That's it. It's actually $9.95. You get a nickel back. Look at Super Reds. This is the product that brought me in right around March of 20. Well, you know what? I joined LiveGood way before I became an affiliate. I was buying this Super Beets. Okay. It was a tiny little jar. It was like 50, 60 bucks at the time. And I ran into Super Reds where the jar's bigger. The ingredients are better. It's organic. And look at the price, 18 bucks. Okay, Super Beets, 50 to 60. Screw that. Okay. So if you go to any of our products, even the shirts and the hats, check out everything. But look, you can get all the information, the description, all the seals of approval, how to use the product. Okay. So take your time. No rush on the products. They're just fun to buy. And if you want to resell them, put them in your gym, your Amazon store. It's totally up to you guys. Okay. If you want energy, look at E3. All right. And like I said, we have shirts and hats and packages. Just keep scrolling. Okay. There you go, guys. Even a hoodie. You know, it's wintertime. December as I make this video, almost January in a couple days. Get a little hoodie, get a little beanie cap. All right. Look kind of cool. Now, this is the products tab. I highly recommend you go to the FAQ. Okay, there's a lot of questions there, and you're going to have the same. Go through each one. Click the link. Get your answer or get your question answered. How about that? That's a better phrase. Look at all those. All right, go ahead and click every one of them. Now, if you're on a cell phone or a home computer, when you go to the very bottom, it's going to say affiliate pay plan or just pay plan. Depends how big your screen is. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and hit pay plan. And I want you to look over the pay plan because on the membership side, that's how we get commissions. Okay. That's why LiveGood, in my opinion, is so easy. And that's why the whole world, we have almost 1.7 million members and affiliates, a couple hundred countries, $15 million of products going out every 30 days. All right. And you can read about the comp plan. There's 7 ways here, but you know what's easiest? Go to the bottom. I wish this was at the top. Watch the video. This is 1,000 times easier than trying to understand all this. Okay. Just watch the YouTube video made by LiveGood. Okay. And you guys will figure it out. It's so easy, guys. So anyway, as far as a company, they pay on time every Thursday. If you buy any products, you got 3 months guarantee, no questions asked. Even if the container's empty, get your money back. Okay. And on top of that, the money's there. In my opinion, I think you can do well as long as you post every day, have fun on Facebook or Instagram, make a business card like I've done and hand them out now and then. Or you can do a live video like this. There's plenty of training, plenty of things you can do. And that's where I'm pretty darn good at making you even more money than what LiveGood provides in the early stages. Okay. So disclaimer. All right. I can't guarantee how much you're going to make. You could make $1, you could make $1 million in $1, but I'll tell you what, if you join, take your time and have fun and post now. Now's the best time. The next 3-4 months, it's winter here in America. There's not a lot of outdoor activity going on. Everybody feels a little big and chubby from all the holiday food. So everyone wants to get in shape and make money because they probably maxed out their credit card for Christmas. Okay. So guys, if you have questions, let me know. I can give you a more in-depth review. Okay. I know LiveGood extremely well at this point. So anyway, get a hold of me. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Cool. YouTube. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, right. And if you find me on Facebook, just inbox. I'm easygoing, guys. Contact me anytime, day or night. I have downlines all over the world, so I don't have business hours, so to speak. If I'm up 1 or 2 or 3 in the morning peeing or having a coffee, I'll answer you at 3 in the morning. My time. Okay. I'm mountain time in Utah. I'm an hour after California, or I'm 2 hours back from Eastern time. Let's put it that way. But you guys get a hold of me anytime. It doesn't matter day or night. Okay. All right. Joincory.com. Thanks for your time, guys. Looks like my 10 minutes is up. So anyway, have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.